Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the top 5 operating systems that you should use if you are using a very old computer, maybe preferably made in 2010 2015, and now it cannot run Windows 10 or Windows 11 that much smoothly, and you feel lag, and now you just want to change your operating system so that it works fine. So the first of all, I want you to suggest. It's not my talk recommendation or all, but I just want you to suggest this OS, which is the Chrome OS Flex. It is basically the Chrome browser, but it is being wrapped into an operating system. So whenever you turn on your computer, your Chrome starts automatically, and you will be just able to do some normal browsing. You want to watch some YouTube and watch some movies in there. So it has this file management system also, and you can do some office work but nothing else. You cannot do some gaming or editing in this operating system. It's just a basic operating system so that you can do some browsing. So if your main goal is to just watch some videos and watch some movies from your old computer, this might be the one. And it runs really smoothly because it's just the browser which the computer is running. So you can try that out and watch some videos on how to install this OS. The other ones which I'm going to suggest are the Linux distributions, because they are very lightweight. This is also a Linux based OS, but I can't just call it Linux because it's Chromium based. So otherwise, now from now on, I'm going to tell you about the Linux based distribution, and my top recommendation is the Linux Mint 22.2. Whatever version which is available during you watching this video. I have used this distribution for 3 years in my old computer, which was made in 2020. No, it was made in 2012. So I used it till 2024, and I have used this distribution for 3 years, and it worked flawlessly. And it is a full-blown operating system, and let me tell you, you can customize more in this operating system than Windows 11. It has more options, and it has its dedicated app store, so you do not need to learn some Linux codes or how to do that sudo Linux install thing. You do not need to do any of that. It has its app store. You can download directly from there your favorite browsers, your favorite apps, VLC, media players, music players, Spotify, everything from the app store. And it is really lightweight, so you won't feel like it is lagging or something. So it's a great software, and it's a great operating system for the beginners who have not used Linux in their life. The other one is Zorin OS. If you have a very old computer, say made in 2006 to 2010, you can try Zorin OS Lite. If you have a much more modern computer, like made in 2012 or 2015, then you can try the base version, the Zorin OS base. Okay, so you can try that. It's really modern looking, and even it looks cooler than Windows 11. So it might be a boon for those who like aesthetic views in their computer. The third one is the Ubuntu Mate, which is even more lightweight. So if you're just wanting a no nonsense operating system for you, just want to do your task, does not care about the aesthetics or customization, then this is the operating system for you, Ubuntu Mate. And you can download it from here, and as you can see, these are the screenshots. And as you can see, it's a very basic computer and no nonsense computer. You can learn how to operate it really easily. Works just like Windows, so you do not you will not feel like a learning gap or learning curve while shifting to this operating system. Another one is Ubuntu. Just like Ubuntu Mate, it's also a no nonsense computer. You can see how it works on YouTube or see the screenshots, and whichever feels like this might be the operating system, you can download it. So this is the fourth recommendation. And the final recommendation, if you do not want to use the Linux distributions, I have something Windows related as well, which is Windows LTSC. So Windows LTSC is the light version of Windows. There is Windows 11 LTSC, but Windows 11 LTSC is really heavy. You cannot use it. So what I recommend is Windows 10 LTSC 2019 or the 2021 version. You have to check the minimum requirements of these LTSC versions and cross check with your specifications so you can download it according to your needs. And unfortunately, the security updates for these operating systems has been stopped for like in October 2025. So you won't get any security updates. But who needs security updates in old computers, right? So it's not like you're doing any banking stuff in your old computer. You should buy a new computer, modern computer, for your banking and security reasons. You should not use old computers. So but if you have an old computer, you just want it for gaming, a little bit of gaming, and watching movies, browsing, and doing some stuff online, then Windows 10 LTSC might be the one for you. And it has zero learning curve because you are just switching to from Windows to Windows. So nothing really specific here, and they have removed the official download links, and therefore I'm giving you an third-party link, which is fine. It is a great website, and you can download it from here according to your system. If you have a 32-bit system, you can download this one, and if you have 64-bit system, you can download this one. And after that, you need to activate Windows from this Microsoft activation scripts, which is provided by massgrave.dev, the same website which I'm talking about right now, from where you have to download the LTSC. So that's it. Another one I want to suggest is a website, not the operating system. It's the distrochooser.de. So what it does for you, if you write some, like, it will ask you some questions, what do you prefer, and according to your preferences, it will recommend you the Linux distribution. So as you can see, there are a lot of distributions available, and it also gives you the link to the home page of that distribution. So yeah, if you want to explore the Linux world, you can do it from this website, and I hope you got some idea from this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye. We will see you in the next one.